So in this Inkscape tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to outline text here in Inkscape. So once Inkscape is opened up, I'm going to go to the left hand side and just add some text to my design. So I'll just go ahead here, make it a little bit larger so it's easier for you guys to see. Actually, I'll just put it onto the gray area so it's a little easier for you guys to see. So there's my text right here. As you can tell, there's no outline. Just to make it a little bit easier, I'll change the text to orange and I'll add a black outline. So once that is done, press on the top left, press on the text right here, then go to the right side. Make sure that this option right here is selected, the fill and stroke. Then make sure where it says fill, you select your color. Then where it says stroke paint right here, go ahead and press on flat. Now by default, you can go ahead and play with the color wheel here, so I can make it green. I can go ahead and make it whatever font you're looking at. You can go ahead and do that just like that. So let's say I wanted to make the font, I don't know, let's just go with, what's a good option here? How about just black? Now if you want to make make it thicker or thinner, go to where it says stroke style right here, and where it says width, you can go ahead and make it thicker or thinner. And there you go, just like that. I have now successfully added outline to text here in Inkscape. Very simple, very straightforward. That's how you guys can add outline to text here in Inkscape. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.